everybody, my name is Brishti Bera and today I am going to do activity 14 in which I have to record 10 different video messages. Hello Mama, I would like to thank you for teaching me how to shade as it helps my drawings look more better and realistic. Hello Daddy, I would like to thank you for introducing me to the concept of meditation. It helps me to stay calm for longer and also helps me to focus. Hi, ma'am. I would like to thank you for helping us look beyond the books and being such a great teacher. Hi, ma'am. Thank you for teaching us to be punctual and always submitting our work on time. Hello, Srita ma'am. I would like to thank you for helping us being creative by organizing a lot of art and craft activities. Hi, Savita ma'am. I would like to thank you for encouraging me to read and speak confidently in Hindi as it is a little difficult for me from the beginning. Hi, Paul auntie. I would like to thank you for caring for me when my mom was not there and I came back from daycare. Hello, Debashish Bhaiya. I would really like to express my gratitude for you that you treated me like I was your little sister and always following my request, no matter how silly this sounded. Hello, Kanishka. I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for always being my true friend and always being there for me in tough and hard times. Hello, Shanti Mashi. I would like to thank you for taking care of me when I was little and my mom was away at work. Thank you.